Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and join the family, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So today's video, we are going to talk about a problem that I am having with my locks, and it's not necessarily my locks per se, it's me with my locks. So yeah, if you want to hear about this, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I am having a problem, and I'm not sure if this is like anxiety, I'm not sure if this is nervousness, I'm not sure what it is, but I am having severe hand and hair syndrome. And I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, that's normal, that's normal. Yeah, I used to always touch my hair, but it's getting to the point where I'm just like touching it all the time, and I'm doing stuff like pulling out the butted ends on some of my locks. I think I've pulled out like maybe 3 so far, and I am not sure why I'm doing it. Like usually I just run my fingers through my hair, touch it, and you know, just get a feel of how everything is developing with my hair and how it's growing, how it's locking. But now it's like I'm just doing it, and I'm just not really paying attention to it, and I'm just going at my hair, like I'm touching it every minute of every day, and it's getting to the point where I have to have it up, or I have to have it covered in a bonnet, a scarf, or something to keep my hands out of it. And I'm not sure what's really causing that. Sometimes I really do just sit there and do length checks on my hair, and it'll start like that, like, yeah, this one is real long, and then it goes from me twirling it around my hands and sliding my hands to the bottom of that lock, and if it has like a bulb on it, I'm pulling it out. And like sometimes I catch myself like with 2 hands on one lock just going to town, and when I do that, I know it's time to take my hands out of my hair and cover it up. Sure, I'm not sure what it could be that's causing me to do this, because it's not like just like, ooh, my hair's so pretty, my hair's so pretty. It's like I'm obsessed with it. It's like I'm obsessed with it, and any little imperfection I choose, like I'm pulling it out. And it's not even me. I noticed like Let's Journey made a video talking about how she was like pulling out some of her locks, and her not realizing that that's something that she's doing. She's just subconsciously just sitting there yanking out some of her sister locks. I haven't gotten to that stage where I'm pulling locks out of my head, but I'm definitely pulling out the butted ends on some of them, and they're not like the little thin buds that are hanging on by like 1 or 2 hairs. Like, no, these are some that you really have to work through. Like, it's hairs in between those buds, and I'm just working it out and like slowly but surely pulling it out, and it's just like, no, I'm really messing up my hair by doing, see, I'm doing it now. I'm really messing up my hair by doing that, and I feel like if I continue to do that, yeah, I will definitely mess up my locks. And I'm not sure what's causing me to do that. I'm not sure what it is, but it's definitely something. I don't know. But if you guys have ever dealt with this, if you guys, you know, could give me any suggestions on what I could do besides covering up my locks to stop me from messing with them, because at this point I need to be stopped. I definitely need to be stopped, because it's really obsessive at this point, really obsessive. And that's all I have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.